Thank you. No, there's no reply.
That we cannot legislate ourselves out of work. Senator Umtata has already reduced us as parliament from 4 slots to 2. Now ourselves as members of parliament, we want to reduce ourselves again from 2 to 1. And that's why I rose and said, I struggle to understand how we can do that. And I'm glad that the Chair of Justice and Legal Affairs has withdrawn his amendment. Therefore, we are back to default mode.
After we pass this, the President has 7 days, Mr. Speaker, to approve this one so that the panel can sit down and start nominating the commissioners, Mr. Speaker. So
should I call that the moderating panel, the sober panel that would look at both ends of the coin and give a balanced perspective?